Siemens Parasolid is the leading 3D geometric modeling kernel designed for apps using BREP data. Parasolid is trusted by some of the biggest names in engineering, including SolidWorks, NX, Bentley, Hexagon, Ansys, Mastercam, and Faro. The Parasolid SDK is tightly integrated with Hoops Exchange, Hoops Visualize, and Hoops Publish. Exchange imports all native Parasolid files including XT, XB, XMT, XMT text, as well as popular Parasolid-based files like NX, JT, Solid Edge, and SolidWorks. This allows you to load and access Parasolid data within your application without conversion. Exchange can also read over 30 different file formats and is specifically designed to translate to Parasolid for a modeling workflow. That means that any one of these file formats can be read with Exchange and imported into a Parasolid session. This is the recommended toolkit and workflow for all Parasolid users supported by Siemens. For more information about Hoops Exchange's integration with Parasolid, check out the Hoops Exchange for Parasolid Developers document in our Developer Zone, which discusses healing, benchmarking, and much more. Visualization is also needed for most use cases. Hoops Visualize includes a set of classes that allows the graphics engine to integrate directly with Parasolid. The output of the Parasolid faceter generates triangles that are updated in the Hoops Visualize scene graph and are then displayed for viewing and interaction. A set of connector classes exists to facilitate data transfer, data parity, and updates between the two SDKs. These connector classes accelerate application development using both toolkits. The Hoops Parasolid demo viewer shows both of these toolkits in action within one application that you can easily use for testing and benchmarking. Here we see native Parasolid data from this NX file being loaded using Hoops Exchange, visualized using Hoops Visualize, and also loaded into a Parasolid session. We can query the model by clicking on a face and get the corresponding Parasolid entity, the Parasolid ID, and the conical geometry for the face. Here we load a CATIA file using Hoops Exchange into a Parasolid session and can get the same information. We are also able to load the PMI, which is not supported by Parasolid. But by using the integration, we can find the surface that the PMI refers to and access it within Parasolid.